In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Arm Wrestle Simulator Discord server. If you want a quick and reliable way to find the official community for Arm Wrestle Simulator, the easiest method is to use Discord's built-in Discover feature. This lets you browse public servers and join with a single click, so you don't have to hunt for invite links. With Discord open, look at the vertical list of server icons on the left side of your screen. Near the bottom, you'll see a small compass icon. That's the Discover button. Click it to open the public server directory. Inside Discover, you'll see a variety of categories and recommendations, but we'll go straight to searching. Navigate to the Servers section, then head to the search bar at the top right. Type Arm Wrestle Simulator and give it a moment to load results. This search focuses on public communities, which helps you find the official or most active hub without guesswork. From the results, look for Kubo Games. This is the Roblox studio known for Arm Wrestle Simulator, and selecting it will open a preview of the server. In this preview, you can read the description, check member counts, and get a feel for the community before you commit. It's a great way to confirm you're in the right place and see what kinds of channels or announcements you can expect once you join. When you're ready, just click Join at the top. Discord will add the server to your left sidebar, and you'll be taken into the community immediately. That's it. No extra links or complicated steps. From there, you'll typically land in a welcome or rules channel. While this video is about joining, it's always a good idea to read any posted guidelines so you know how to participate respectfully and make the most of the channels available, like updates, game announcements, tips, or trading discussions. A few quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure your Discord app is up to date so the Discover button appears where you expect it, and take a second to verify that the server name and branding match what you searched for. If the Join button is temporarily unavailable, it could be a brief server limit or connection hiccup. Waiting a moment and trying again usually does the trick. And that's all you need to do. Click the compass to open Discover, search Arm Wrestle Simulator in the server section, select Kubo Games to preview, and hit Join at the top. You're now connected to the community where you can stay up to date and chat with fellow players.